नमस्ते, मैं हूं पायल रोहतगी। आज मैं आपके साथ बात करने वाली हूं अबाउट इन्फॉर्मेशन दैट आई एम रीडिंग फ्रॉम द पॉलिटिशियंस बिलोंगिंग टू शिवसेना। जी हाँ, मैं आजकल सबकी बात सुनने लगी हूं। पहले मेरा एक कान बंद होता था, बट अब मैंने दोनों कान खोल दिए हैं। courtesy a lot of things that happen in life and life obviously teaches you how to deal with life. तो यहाँ पर राहुल गांधी knows that Pegasus is a threat for not only an individual but country. If anyone is spying on the constitutional rights of privacy and expression, it is a serious concern. Opposition wants discussion but the center is not letting us. Center should come clean, ऐसा कहा है अरविंद सावंत ने, who is from Shiv Sena. अब डिस्कशन करने से क्यों सेंटर भाग रही है? सेंटर should obviously do discussion because discussion is a part of democratic procedure and you should be encouraging discussion. That is what I want to tell the center sarkar. I have voted for Modi ji, so obviously I will tell center sarkar. It's a different thing. The center sarkar doesn't want to respond to whatever I say, but that's okay, they are so busy people. They don't have to respond to everything that Payal Rohatgi, asks them. That's perfectly fine. दूसरा statement है संजय राउत का. He's also from Shiv Sena. I had obviously spoken a lot on him when Sushant Singh Rajput के ऊपर मैं videos बनाती थी. Now Sanjay Raut has said that he's grateful to Nitish Kumar. He has always been an ideal leader. Today he's with the government, but his soul is with us, and I know that if he's saying that Pegasus issue must be probed, then it should be probed. यहाँ पर ऑब्वियसली नीतीश कुमार जी ने कहा था कि पेगासस के ऊपर सेंटर सरकार को कुछ डिस्कशन करनी चाहिए, कुछ नहीं सारी डिस्कशन करनी चाहिए। एंड यहाँ पर शिवसेना के जो लीडर है संजय राउत, ही इज प्रेजिंग नीतीश कुमार फॉर मेकिंग दैट स्टेटमेंट इवन दो ही हैज डन अलायंस विद बीजेपी इन बिहार टू फॉर्म द सरकार विच वाज फॉर्म्ड आफ्टर सुशांत सिंह राजपूत पास्ड अवे। तो यहाँ पर शिवसेना के पॉलिटिशियंस की दोनों की बात मुझे सही लग रही है। साथ साथ में शिवसेना ने स्लैम किया है बीजेपी के हिंदुत्व आइडियोलॉजी को, क्योंकि मेघालय के जो मिनिस्टर है वो बीजेपी से है और वो वहां के सिटीजन्स को बीफ खाने के लिए कह रहे हैं। दिस इज वेरी वेरी एंटी हिंदू एंड दिस इज नॉनसेंसिकल, बट अपेरेंटली दिस हैज बीन सेड बाय द मेघालय मिनिस्टर। Now, who is the Meghalaya BJP minister? Sanbor Shulai. Sanbor Shulai का ये eat beef remark है, वो इस आधार पर कह रहे हैं क्योंकि उनको लगता है कि he wants to encourage people to eat more beef than chicken, mutton or fish. By encouraging people to eat more beef, the perception that BJP will impose a ban on cow slaughter will be dispelled. ऐसा वो कोई reporters को कह रहे हैं. I really don't know whether he wants to become the Rakhi Sawant of BJP, but this is what he has been making a statement. And BJP obviously is against beef eating, and that is why we know that Assam Chief Minister has put a cattle protection bill, and I have supported his thought process. जो शिवसेना के लीडर्स हैं उन्होंने बोला है कि अगर एक ये स्टेटमेंट कोई नॉन बीजेपी रूल स्टेट में करी गई होती तो बीजेपी ने वो मिनिस्टर के घर को घेराव कर लिया होता एंड वुड हैव डिमांडेड हिज रेजिग्नेशन एंड टोल्ड हिम टू गो टू पाकिस्तान एंड डिमांडेड अ प्रेसिडेंट्स रूल इन द स्टेट। नाउ दिस इज अ फैक्ट, दिस वुड हैव हैपेंड। नाउ सेना ने ये लैश आउट किया है एट द मॉब लिंचिंग इंसिडेंट्स दैट हैपेंड ओवर बीफ। सेना रिमाइंडेड दैट ड्यूरिंग मोदीज फर्स्ट गवर्नमेंट मेनी हाउसेज वर रेडेड टू ascertain if beef was being consumed in the state. Listing the states where cattle slaughter is banned, Sena stated that cow was being revered as a mother in Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Delhi and others, while in Goa, Kerala and other Christian dominated states it was just a cattle. Sena demanded BJP to issue an apology to all those victims of mob lynching over beef. यहाँ पे भी उनकी बात सही है। शिवसेना is making sense right now. It is making sense because अगर mob lynching के आधार पर लोगों की डेथ हुई है and this has happened due to beef, then why is a BJP minister encouraging to eat beef in Meghalaya? Makes no sense, and BJP has to take action against such minister. BJP should take action against its own minister who makes such stupid statements. Shulai, who is an animal husbandry and veterinary minister, also assured that he would speak to Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswas Sharma to ensure that cattle transportation to Meghalaya was not affected by the new cow legislation in the neighboring state. Meghalaya CM Conrad Sagma too has raised this issue with Home Minister Amit Shah. So something is really, really wrong with the BJP in Meghalaya. I think they don't agree to the party ideology. As per the new law which has been passed by the Assam Chief Minister, no person can slaughter any cattle unless registered veterinary officer certifies it. State government can permit the slaughter of cattle on the premises of a place of worship for religious purposes. There will be prohibition on the transport of cattle via Assam and from Assam to other states without valid permit. No person can sell beef products in areas predominantly inhabited by Hindus, Jains, Sikhs or other non-beef eating communities or within a radius of 5 kilometers of any religious institution belonging to the Hindu religion. All these offences under this law shall be cognizable and non-bailable. तो ऐसा कानून आसाम में पास होता है और मेघालय के चीफ मिनिस्टर और मिनिस्टर की क्या सोच है ये तो हम सबको पता चल गई है. So looking at this, I really think BJP, you need to figure out your own ministers. They cannot be making statements like this क्योंकि अगर वो ऐसी statements करेंगे then I will have to support Shiv Sena. I hope you guys are okay with that. नमस्ते, जय हिंद.